Tesla rolls out Grok to vehicles across Europe. Tesla is rolling out Grok to vehicles in Europe. The feature will initially launch in 9 European territories. In a post on X, the official Tesla Europe Middle East Africa account confirmed that Grok is coming to Teslas in Europe. The initial rollout includes the United Kingdom, Ireland, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Italy, France, Portugal, and Spain, and additional markets are expected to be added later. Grok allows drivers to ask questions using real-time information and interact hands-free while driving. According to Tesla's support documentation, Grok can also initiate navigation commands, enabling users to search for destinations, discover points of interest, and adjust routes without touching the touchscreen, as per the feature's official webpage. The system offers selectable personalities, ranging from storyteller to unhinged, and is activated either through the app launcher or by pressing and holding the steering wheel's microphone button. Grok is currently available only on Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck vehicles, equipped with an AMD infotainment processor. Vehicles must be running software version 2025.26 or later, with navigation command support requiring version 2025.44.25 or newer. Drivers must also have premium connectivity or a stable Wi-Fi connection to use the feature. Tesla notes that Grok does not currently replace standard voice commands for vehicle controls, such as climate or media adjustments. The company has stated that Grok interactions are processed securely by XAI and are not linked to individual drivers or vehicles. Users do not need a Grok account or subscription to enable the feature at this time as well. The source, reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.